We have done question 1 and 2 very easy. Okay, so we'll move on to question number 3. I have written the question here. Question यहाँ पे लिख दिया है. It says Pm equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. So they want us to find P of A plus P of minus A. Okay, so we can find P of A easily. Wherever there is m, you have to put A. That's it. A cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. P of minus a is wherever there is a, we have to put minus a. Minus a the whole cube plus 2 minus a square minus of minus a plus 10. So minus a cube is going to be minus a into minus a into minus a. So it will come minus only, minus a cube. Minus a cube मतलब माइनस ए इंटू माइनस ए टू माइनस ए, तो नेगेटिव साइन 3 टाइम आता है, मीन्स नेगेटिव इज देयर. अब माइनस ए इंटू माइनस ए इज माइनस ए स्क्वायर, सो माइनस ए इंटू माइनस ए करते तभी माइनस साइन निकल जाता है. माइनस ऑफ माइनस इज प्लस. ओके, दिस इज पी ऑफ माइनस ए, दिस इज पी ऑफ ए. दे वांट अस टू फाइंड पी ऑफ ए प्लस पी ऑफ माइनस ए. So what are we going to do now here? Any guesses? It's very easy. So you just have to add this with this. So a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 plus means minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. So there is a cube, there is minus a cube, goes away, and there is 2a square, there is 2a square, both are positive. So it will add up, ऐड होने के बाद 4a स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. माइनस ए है और प्लस ए है, वो भी चला जाएगा. एंड में यू विल गेट प्लस 20. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इज वेरी इजी. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सो प्लीज कॉपी डाउन ऑल दिस, पॉज द वीडियो राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज. Now there is question 4. P of y equals to 2y square 2y cube. P of y equals to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. Find P of 2. So very easy. P of 2 equals to 2 into 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 7. So it is very easy, just like the previous questions. कुछ नहीं, खाली y के जगह पे 2 का वैल्यू डालना है. That's it, very easy. Okay, so 2 into 2 cube is 2 raised to 4, which is 16. Minus 6 into 4 is 24 minus 10 plus 7. So 16 minus 24 equals to minus 8 minus 10 plus 7. So what is the answer here? Minus 8 plus 7 will be minus 1, and minus 10 minus 1 is going to be minus 11. So the answer is minus 11. Okay, that is question 4. Please take it down. So if you have taken down question 4, that is the end of practice set 3.4. And then we move on to practice set 3.5. So 3.4 is the smallest exercise which is done. So please take it down.